warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello teachers and hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Queisha and I'm from MTSN 1 Pati. Well, today I will share with you a legend, a captivating story from North Sumatra. The legend of Danau Toba. Long ago, a kind but poor farmer named Toba lived in lush green land. He spent his day toiling in the fields and his evening fishing in the nearby river. One afternoon, Toba cast his net into the river, just like any other day. But this time, something truly extraordinary happened. When he put his net in, instead of smoke, he found a magnificent golden fish. Toba was astonished. What is this? Wow! And then he carefully took the fish, planning to cook it for his dinner. But as he laid the fish down, a new water appeared before his very eyes. The golden fish became brighter, glow and glow, until poof! It transformed into the most beautiful woman that I had ever seen. You're so beautiful, gorgeous. And then the beautiful woman smiled gently and introduced herself. She told him that she was a princess, cursed to live as she did, until someone with a pure heart catch her. She offered to be his wife, but only on one condition. You must never, ever tell anyone about her true origin as a fish. I want to be your wife, but only on one condition. Promise, will not tell to anyone about my true origin. And then, Toba, probably Caesar, really agreed. Oh, I promise. So, Toba and the beautiful princess were married. They lived in a very happy life. Soon, they were blessed with a son named Samusir. Their joy was complete. Samusir grew into playful and active life. However, he was incredibly lazy. He often refused to help his parents, and he was always hungry, always asking for more food. And Princess was always patient with him, but not about Toba, his father. One day, Toba asked Samusri to take his lunch in the field. Samusri decided to make a pie, and then another, and another. By the time he reached his father, there was hardly any food left. Toba, tired and hungry from a long day's work, didn't make over the remains of his lunch. He was furious. What is this, you lazy golden child? Then his anger getting the better of him. And then the forbidden words came out from his mouth. You're just like your mother, a child fish. And then, the moment the words left his lips, turning thunderclaps ripped through the sky, the ground began to tremble. Boom, boom, the stars could gather breath. That was her heartbroken and terrified, ran home to tell his mother what his father had said. The princess, with tears streaming down her face. What? What? You brought your brother. You worked everything so that. Knew that her promise broken. She thought Samusur would run the high cliff to help himself. As Samusur scrambled up the mountain, the sky opened up, rain poured down and the river overflowed. The sun submerged, and the water rose higher and higher. Whoosh, whoosh. The princess, along with her home, was showered by the refugees from the rain. And then Toba was singing disaster. All four could do nothing but watch in horror as his home, his family, and everything he knew was consumed by the raging water. It is so sad, right? And you know what else? Toba was very sad about what can he do again? And what about Summer? He managed to reach the very top of Ice Peak, and as the water rose, that peak became an island, a beautiful island in the middle of the colorful lake, called Pulau Samosir. So, the next time, if you hear or see the majesty of Danau Toba, remember the legend. Remember how Toba ran from it, the prince's sacrifice, and the lesson they teach us about keeping our word, controlling our anger, and don't forget for the consequence of our action. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.